Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add a currency field in Forminator forms in WordPress. To do so, simply hover onto the Forminator in the sidebar and click on Forms. Now, this is the Forminator Forms window. Here you can either create a new form or edit an existing form. In my case, I am editing an existing form. You can see we are here in the Form Builder area. To add the currency field here, simply click on Insert Fields and select the currency field here like this. Now click on the Insert field. Here you can configure the field settings. You can edit the label name and placeholder text and add a description if any. Under the Settings tab, you can make this field either optional or mandatory as per your requirements. You can select the currency from here. You can also edit the range to restrict the value that the user enters in this field. You can customize the error message if you want. You can also choose how you want to format the value of this field. Under the Calculations tab, you can choose whether to allow this field to be used in calculations or not. Under the Styling tab, you can add a custom CSS to style your field accordingly. And under the Visibility tab, you can control the field visibility as per your requirements. Once done, simply click on Apply button. Now it's time to update the form by clicking on the Update button over here. Let me show you the font preview. So you can see we have successfully added the currency field here. So this is all about how you can add a currency field in Forminator forms in WordPress. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.